Hello everybody, this is the iFan channel here. Over here is the Galaxy S26 Ultra and over here is the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, and today I'm going to unbox these two devices and show you guys what the devices look like. So why not? Let's go! Now starting with the S26 Ultra, over here is the box, and why not? I'm just going to peel off the wrapping at first. Yeah. And as you guys can see, this is the base storage, and why not? I'm just going to open the box, and over here is the S26 Ultra in its full glory. And why not? I'm just going to power on the phone. I'm just going to brush this off to the side, and over here is what the phone looks like. And yeah, there's like almost nothing. I'm gonna see if there's even a charger in this. Okay guys, I found the charger. As you guys can see, if you were to open this up, you could find a SIM card ejector, as well as I do believe an owner's manual over here, as well as the USB-C to USB-C. I'm not even joking. Yes, the packaging is kind of a bit convoluting, especially compared with the iPhone packaging, which is a bit more straightforward. So I thought there was no charger. But anyways, over here it is. And why not? Let's move on to the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Next up, we have the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And why not? I'm just going to take off the peeling on this device as well. And yes, I'm going to review both the S26 Ultra as well as the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And over here it is. This is what the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro looks like. Now I got this at a 50% discount. But over here is the whole device. And yeah, it is quite cool to have translucent or transparent casing. But over here are what the buds look like. Kind of like the AirPods Pro, to be honest. I'm not even joking. So I'm just going to brush this off to the side. And I'm going to show you guys some accessories. Yeah, I remember from the Samsung packaging. But I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, these are extra tips over here. 4 extra tips, and you could even find the owner's manual as well. Over here it is, the quick start guide. So why not? I'm gonna see you guys after setting up these two devices. Okay guys, over here are the two devices, the S26 Ultra over here, as well as the Galaxy Buds. As you guys can see, a transparent case opening. And over here are the buds. Yes, so that should be it. I'll see you guys later. So thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'm gonna see you guys soon.